So earlier on, you heard me speak about something called Unicast, Broadcast, and Multicast. So now I'm just going to go a bit deeper into it. So when we talk about Unicast, we're talking about one. So one-to-one communication. When we talk about broadcast, one-to is a kind of one-to-many, but this kind of one-to-many is subjective. So it's one-to-many within one-to-all within a network. So we can say one-to-all within a network. And then we have multicast. This is one-to-many within a group. So when I say unicast, for class A, class B, and class C, they are unicast addresses. So if I say 10.0.0.1, one machine to one IP address. So if you pick one class A, B, or C address, you can assign it to only one machine. And so this one cannot be 1.1. It's not possible because it is a unicast address. So it can only be assigned to one machine at a time. Now, it means that you can assign maybe another number, maybe 10.0.0.2. And then the communication, when I say hello, when this guy says hello, 10.0.0.2, the only person that will reply to that communication is this guy because he is the only person that bears that identity. And so with Unicast, we're talking about one-to-one relationship. Now, the next thing is broadcast. So broadcast is kind of limited to the size of a network. So earlier on, we saw subnet mask and we said, assuming we have 192 network, 192.168.1.0 network, and assuming I have 192.168.1.1, and this is 192.168.1.2, and maybe I have a third one, 192.168.1. maybe 50, and I do the broadcast address. The broadcast address is 192.168.1.255 for this particular network. If I shout, hello, 192.168.1.255, if I shout from this computer and I say, hello, 192.168.1.255, it's just like me saying, hello, 192.168.1.2, hello, 192.168.1.50, or any other machine within the same network. So they will all start responding because they can feel that you're speaking to them. It's like saying, hello, family, and everybody who is available within the, so there may be computers which are on the network, but they were not on. So they will not reply. So basically, if you say hello to this number, only the people, only the computers within that network that are available would reply. So normally what happens is that sometimes the firewalls will block it because some of us have firewalls in our house. And so assuming there was no firewall and I did, if I say hello, it means a ping. If I do a ping, and when I say a ping, it's just like me trying to test connectivity or say hello. So assuming I do a ping, and I say something like, if I say something like 190, so basically don't forget that this is my IP address. So I'm also in that network. This is the router's IP address. So 192.168.1.255. And I do this. Technically, the idea is that I'm shouting and saying, hello, family. So technically, everybody within that network should respond. But like I said, I'm using a firewall, so it will not happen like that. Or if I had done the broadcast address, it's like just saying that, hello, family. And so those who are available responding. So if you can see here, 1.100 is the one trying to respond. And even that is because there's a firewall, so it's not respond. So basically, this is me. I'm 1.100. So it's like I'm the only one on the network, technically, at this moment. And so that is what we mean by broadcast address. So with the broadcast, you're trying to scream and anybody within the network will reply to it.